So I want to factor this. So this is what I want to factor. So let's look at this question. I want to factor this equation. So notice very interesting is that the way to factor this question. So you have something very interesting. So this is a bit requires a little experience, but this is how you do it. So we look at 4x cubed. So I'm going to rewrite the expression 4x cubed minus 8x squared plus 3x minus 6. So let's look at these two. I'm going to write them. I'm going to notice something very interesting. So I'm going to split the bracket like this. Okay. So this is what you do. You split the brackets like this. The next step is all we can do is going to factor 4x cubed minus 8x squared. So how do you factor? Well, you can factor out, let's look at the 4s, the 4 and the 8s. What is the greatest common factor for -8? What's the greatest common factor of 4 and 8? It's 4, right? What is the greatest common factor of x cubed and x squared? It's x squared. So now if you after factoring, what you're going to get left over is you're going to get what? What are you going to get left over? It's going to give you x minus 2. Now let's look at 3x minus 6. If I factor a 3, what we get? It's going to be plus 3x minus 2. Does that make sense? So now we're going to factor x minus 2. So you're going to get, this is x minus 2, right? And what you get left over is 4x squared plus 3. Okay, similar to how, so that's how it is. So do you have any questions? Or if you have any questions, you can always message me.